What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. Normally we talk about car stuff, and I know, but today there's people kissing robots. What? If you are watching the channel, we do have a Ram TRX giveaway going on right now with 1,000X entries. Most likely those 1,000X entries are going to end today. If you want to get in on it, go to tk'sgarage.bigcartel.com. tk'sgarage.bigcartel.com. Once those 1,000X entries are gone, every dollar equals one entry. It's pretty simple through the rest of the month of January. But anyways, there you have it. Let's get into the weirdo stuff. All right, so this is the show floor here at CES, and look at some of these things. They have AI assistants they're doing. Ooh, I bet it is getting a bunch of likes. My Hellcat post. So you guys will see that on YouTube later today. But look like to make it like all the different AI and robot stuff is insane. The one thing I saw that was the craziest though was they have a robot with like a human face, and it's like in the Japanese, it's like a Japanese company in a booth, and she's got a white face and blonde hair, and I'm like, what horrible things have you guys been doing to this thing? So here's one of the robots, a bunch of them. Throwing up gang signs. Got robots throwing up gang signs. All right, so we got some more robots in here. This one looks like he's strung up some cables, so he can't stand up on his own, I guess. Interesting. Got the dogs. Woof woofs. Got dogs on deck. Cool. It's like the Boston Dynamic thing. You got your do-boy robots. Oh, here we got one right here. They got him held up. What's he doing? Draws. He folding up the girl's panties. Of course. Of course. So we got the robot over here showing how expertly they can fold up your girl's panties, man. Listen, ladies, fellas, we both about to be replaced, man. All of this stuff that we're dealing with heartache and BS with, you know, we just don't get along with our partners. Look at this. I see you. My man working a union job over here. He's taking all day. But listen, it looks bad now, right? But think about AI a couple years ago. It looks bad now, but watch. In a couple years, literally, you'll have something like this that has human skin on it or feels like human skin, and they will literally do whatever you want. Like, relationships are over, man. 2029, we out of here. And what's crazy is when you get done with your girl, you can literally just string her up in the closet and put it away. Ain't that a bitch? What's absolutely crazy though, guys, is, and this is some of the stuff here from the video. What's absolutely crazy though, guys, oh, we have camera robots, I love it. What's absolutely crazy is for you guys that are like, you know, relationship wise, watch, 2 years from now, maybe 3 years at tops, you will have fully automated robots that can walk around and talk like me or you, that are AI powered, programmed to do whatever you want. And don't think they're not going to build them to be fully capable. They will. And that's going to be the end of relationships as you know it, because you don't have to put, you're not putting in any work. You're literally programming the robot to do whatever it is that you want. And guess what? It's going to do it. You can have it built to look however you want. You don't want to have a conversation or deal with something, or it's calling you on your BS, you hang it in the closet. Like, that's what's happened. And fellas, don't be like, hell yeah, because don't get it twisted. The ladies are going to get them too. Like us. The difference is, at least, and this is going to sound chauvinist as fuck, but I don't care. At least for us as men, most of us that are men have businesses or careers where we make money. There are still a lot of women that are doing jobs, more robots, that are doing jobs that are going to be obsolete here in a couple years. And I'm talking about receptionists, the people that greet you at the front door when you come into your business. That shit is a wrap. When you're paying somebody $70,000 a year in salary, but you could buy a $25,000 robot, and that thing is going to work however many hours you want, and not ask for a salary or ask for health insurance or ask for time off to see their kids, you're going to do that. And it's not going to look any different than the person that you have sitting at your front desk now. This is where we're going. This is exactly where it's going. And I'm glad that I'm able to show you this stuff. This is crazy. It's been a while. I might have to get back into doing tech stuff, man. I haven't been doing tech because it's just like boring, but it seems like it's getting back to being exciting. But there are so many dude, I'm telling you, like last year it was all AI stuff and it was cool because the AI stuff would literally scare the shit out of you. But this new stuff, Steg AI deepfake shield, cool. But what I find interesting here is all of this stuff. This is interesting. Well, just wanted to do a quick video walking you guys around the robot stuff. I thought it was interesting. Literally, it's just a matter of time before this all changes, guys. Seriously. And I know you're gonna say this is pie in the sky stuff. Was it pie in the sky when you could put in a text prompt and it can make you a video of something 2 or 3 years ago? No, it wasn't. So it's going to get crazier. It's going to be insane. And I'm here for the ride. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. That Ram TRX is still up. Those 1000X entries will most likely be gone today with the 1-point-something% that's left in the inventory, about 30 orders, somewhere around there. And then that'll be it. We'll be back to $1 one entry. The BMW M5 is still up. The competition, that is up at 2500X. And I think we said before I went to the hospital, between Monday and Wednesday, but I don't think we got the video up in time. So we'll get that. We're going to extend that till Friday. And I'm actually taking it chill. I just did a little walk around. You can see I'm already getting hot. I'm trying to take it easy, listen to what the doctor said. So that's going to be it for me for now. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. TKsgarage.bigcartel.com if you want to get in on that TRX giveaway. And until next time, stay petty, my friends. Whoopee!